Explore how ChatGPT, powered by AI technology, is transforming customer service, content creation, and language translation. Embrace the potential of this innovative platform and discover the opportunities it brings to a smarter world. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge conversation platform launched in 2019 that has disrupted traditional customer service, content creation, and language translation. With the help of advanced AI technologies like deep learning, reinforcement learning, knowledge graph embedding, and GRU units, ChatGPT bridges the gap between templated responses and higher-order context. Join us as we uncover the capabilities of ChatGPT and its potential to simplify and optimize our daily lives. If you're excited to see what ChatGPT is capable of and learn more about AI technology, be sure to subscribe to AI Topia and stay tuned for more content about ChatGPT and its applications. We can't wait to show you what this amazing technology can do. ChatGPT was launched in 2019 by OpenAI to make natural language processing more accessible. Its development has been driven by advances in artificial intelligence technology, including deep learning techniques, and the need for products that can understand human conversation. It's now used in many industries, from ChatGPT used mainly for customer service automation or conversational AI applications like virtual assistants, to being used as a powerful tool for content creation and translation engines. Despite only being 2 years old since its first launch, it's already made major progress beyond what people expected when it first started out. What do you think will be the next major milestone achieved with ChatGPT over the coming year? OpenAI has continued to transform AI language models since ChatGPT's launch in 2020. GPT-3 is the prime example of the rapid progress made in natural language processing technology, with 175 billion parameters and lightly coherent responses that mimic human conversation. It's crucial to distinguish between natural language generation, NLG, and natural language understanding, NLU. NLG creates fluent language based on a given prompt, while NLU leverages machine learning algorithms like machine comprehension or dependency parsing to process stories and questions more accurately. Although NLU applications have become more advanced, they also provide unique possibilities when used together with NLG capabilities. So what can we expect from these two fields moving forward? ChatGPT relies both on natural language generation and natural language understanding to interpret user input and generate responses. NLU is capable of analyzing inputs in a more thorough manner compared to traditional chatbot applications, thanks to the use of machine comprehension and dependency parsing technology. However, ChatGPT's contextual interpretation abilities are limited, which can lead to misunderstandings in conversation. This is because the bot processes natural language one step at a time, and if it fails to understand previous steps' accuracy, the response accuracy will suffer. Therefore, contextual understanding is essential in any human-machine interaction to ensure accurate interpretations and avoid negative impacts on user experience and decision-making processes, especially in customer service and executive decision-making scenarios. So what strategies do organizations need to consider developing in order to ensure that their conversational bots have improved abilities in comprehending context accurately? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Coded responses is a technique used in ChatGPT that utilizes scripting and templates to create preset responses. This helps you target the input you want, but it also limits ChatGPT's ability to understand the context of conversation. When you use predetermined phrases or templates, the responses become generic when used outside of their intended scope, leading to confusion for both sides. Additionally, since navigation patterns are difficult for robots like GPT-3-based agents due to context they haven't been exposed to during training, limited contextual capabilities will further limit conversation flow efficiency. So how do we bridge the gap between templated coded responses and higher-ordered contexts? One way is to better align robotics technology advancements with natural language processing technology, like incorporating reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT has a limitation when it comes to remembering conversations across different chatting sessions. This is known as inflexible memory. This means that the AI-driven agent can't save information and adjust its responses based on what was said before, leading to ineffective communication and a lack of engaging conversations. To solve this problem, ChatGPT can be improved by adding methods like knowledge graph embedding and memory architecture like GRU units or gate recurrent units. This will help it become better at capturing or remembering conversations, so future conversations feel more natural and less robotic. It is remarkable to witness the tremendous progress that ChatGPT has made since its inception 2 years ago, and there is still plenty of room for growth with higher-order comprehension capabilities. GPT-3 technology presents an opportunity not only to furnish neural networks with essential resources, but also to provide up possibilities for educating robots about social norms. Although ChatGPT is an AI-based platform that utilizes natural language processing to comprehend human communication, it lacks memory, leading to unpredictable results due to various factors like context or user input. To address this limitation, limitation, the use of knowledge graph embedding techniques provides the bot model with access to more intricate data than conventional models. This is done by embedding into neural networks and using machine learning algorithms, meaning ChatGPT can become better at interpreting conversations over multiple sessions by understanding the context and suggesting appropriate responses based on past user interaction. However, how effective this strategy is depends on how well the system can adapt to unpredictable ontological complexities. What methods can be used to help ChatGPT understand ontological complexities when responding to conversation? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. ChatGPT can have trouble understanding complex requests and questions that are outside its scope of understanding. Despite being a powerful tool, the language model lacks the ability to understand complex conversations. This is because of its natural language processing limitations. This means users can get random or unexpected replies if they try to have conversations beyond ChatGPT's knowledge base without providing more specific clues. The problem is mainly in how well machines have been trained. AI models need a lot of data to learn, but that doesn't always mean they can understand concepts or recognize each in conversational context, something that comes naturally to humans. This brings us to an important question. Will artificial intelligence ever be able to understand nuance and concept interference like humans do? One of the issues with working with ChatGPT is understanding and expanding conversations. Because it works word by word, it can be hard for it to understand more complex topics or wider contexts and respond in meaningful ways. Researchers are looking into different ways to address this limitation, like using contextual information from external sources and an AI system's current knowledge base. This can lead to a new era of more advanced conversational chatbots. Until then, if you are having trouble using conversational AI technology due to limitations, there are still some things you can do. One way is to train bots ahead of time by providing them with sample dialogues that they may encounter in their area of expertise. This way, the bot will already know some responses rather than struggling to figure out something new mid-conversation. This gives users fast, helpful advice without needing further input, which can be done with tools like natural language understanding modules provided by many service providers. Additionally, providing clear direction with carefully crafted scripts can improve the overall progress results generated. This data can drive deep learning models forward, allowing progress despite the impairment, and eventually leading to full-fledged endless scenarios. In addition to the tips and advice given, developers should also consider using adaptive learning techniques with ChatGPT. Adaptive learning takes continual feedback from users in real time and integrates it with the chatbot or system, allowing it to improve its understanding over time. This ensures accuracy without losing conversational context, which often happens when relying solely on prior machine training sessions. This is not just for AI agents like GPT-3, but also for all natural language processing tools. Furthermore, encoding visuals like user sentiment into NLU models helps them better understand what's being said instead of simply recognizing words within text, resulting in more tailored results and reducing lengthy conversation dead ends caused by misunderstood statements. Finally, focused testing is key after full development completion, making sure bots are well-rounded and can react in expected ways, understand frequently used turns of phrase, etc., whilst maintaining compelling interaction throughout their operational usage timeframe, thus keeping up maximum quality according to customer expectations, needs, and impressions. Can machines ever know conversations enough to find true human equivalents and become moralizing forces? ChatGPT is an AI-based conversational platform that utilizes natural language processing to comprehend human communication. Nonetheless, it has certain constraints like its inability to remember previous conversations, comprehend complicated queries, and expand discussions. To overcome these obstacles, researchers are investigating techniques like knowledge graph embedding and memory architecture, while developers are implementing adaptive learning methods to enhance the accuracy of ChatGPT's responses. Moreover, crafting precise and concise scripts and conducting focus testing can aid in ensuring that the bot is versatile and responds appropriately. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT has made considerable progress since its launch 2 years ago, and with the right approaches, it will continue to evolve and strengthen its capabilities in the years ahead. Do you want to know more about how to get the most out of your conversations and automate processes with ChatGPT? Don't miss out on our next video, where we will show you the ChatGPT extensions you need to know. Watch now to find out how you can unlock the full potential of ChatGPT.